Want to test a feed-only Performance Max setup without disrupting your current results? Here's a safer approach. Instead of completely switching to feed-only, add a feed-only asset group alongside your existing full asset group. Let me walk you through the process. In Google Ads, navigate to your Performance Max campaign. Click on Asset Groups in the menu. Then click the plus button to create a new asset group. When you reach the asset generation section, click Skip to bypass automatic asset creation. Name this new asset group Feed Only. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. You will now see two asset groups that will be running simultaneously: your original full asset group and the new Feed Only group, which currently has no assets. Next, click on Listing Groups and configure the product selection to match your existing asset group exactly. This ensures a fair comparison between the two approaches with identical product targeting. Plan to run this experiment for several weeks before drawing conclusions. The timeline depends on two key factors. Sales lag. This is the typical time between the initial ad click and conversion. Small or inexpensive items usually convert within 1-2 days, while expensive products might take several weeks to convert. For this example, we'll assume a 1-week sales lag. Learning period. After any major change to a PMax campaign, like adding asset group, changing bid strategy, or adjusting a budget, the algorithm needs time to re-optimize. Campaigns with more monthly conversions learn faster. For our example with 50 monthly conversions, we'll assume a 2-week learning period. Based on these factors, allow approximately 7 weeks total: 2 weeks for the learning period, 1 week for sales lag, and 4 weeks for clean data collection. To analyze results, focus your analysis over weeks 3 to 6 of the test period. Compare the cost and conversion value between your full asset group and feed-only asset group. If your Performance Max campaign doesn't exclude brand terms through negative keywords or brand exclusions, you'll need to account for branded search traffic. These branded clicks naturally convert better and will skew your full asset group results higher, creating an unfair comparison. To adjust for this, open the Search Terms report for your analysis period, filter for terms containing your brand name, note the cost and conversion value from branded searches. Subtract these branded metrics from your full asset group totals. Finally, calculate the ROAS for both the adjusted full asset group and the feed-only group to make a fair comparison. Based on your test results, pause the asset group that shows poorer performance. This test method lets you safely check how a feed-only Performance Max setup might work for you. You can see exactly how well it performs compared to your current setup before making any big changes to campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please like it and consider subscribing. It helps more people see this content. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, I read them all. If you need specific Google Ads help, reach out using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.